Ugh. It smells sour like funky.
You need to leave.
Ugh, I hate people that work at the bank. Shh, I work at the bank. Here is $1. Do not tell anyone.
Oh, I fucked up. Oh, I fucked up. Oh no. Don't you dare disobey me, Coraline! Ah! Ew!
I won it. You're trespassing on my property. You didn't win shit in my yard.
Wait.
All of you.
Daddy, chill.
What the hell is even that? Get
Gromit! Wake up, Gromit! Come on, Gromit! We've got to hide the body! There's no cheese and crackers in prison, Gromit! Now come on! Who will they believe? A man or his dog? They don't allow dogs in prison, Gromit. They'll put you down. Now come on!
Listen, it's a good joke. It's a great joke even. But I need you to stop anyway.
Wait, have you seen Candace?
Candace? Who's Candace? What do you mean? What's Candace mean?
Candy.
Fake ass bitches.
Yay! Cupcake power! I can't! You're killing me!
Dula Peep. I can't. Get out. Oh my god.
Am I better than everyone?
Dude, what is he saying?
Oh no, we've become so smart. They're stupid to us.
Give me a slushie.
We're gonna be on for you today?
And can I also have a small blue raspberry slushie?
A sausage McMuffin?
Into my Into my Into my
What you know about rolling down in the deep end? I have depression.